you have already learned the most important letters. Let's learn some cool ones now. Remember the letter G we've learned the other day? We have another letter with this sound, and it is jota. This letter in all words has the G sound, like jefe, bajo, jardín. Also, you remember the th sound with th and thi. We have a letter with this sound in all situations, and it is zeta. Very good. You repeat after me. Look at these words and tell me how you read it. Very good. Zapato, calzado. Now I want to tell you some secrets about Spanish. Did you know that there is no G sound in Spanish? It is called H in the alphabet. So the word hospital is being read in Spanish as hospital. So you say this one? Hotel. Yes. That's why we say hola, not hola. Wow. Another one. Did you know that there isn't any V sound in Spanish? As in very? No? Well, there is the letter V, but in Spanish it has the B sound. So no V sound. It is called V in the alphabet, and the bad news is no way you can recognize which one should be written, V or B. Like these two words, móvil, vida. Both has the B sound, but they have V when we write them.